fighting.
Some words have been exchanged.
Fighting
Oh,
words.
look, he just threw.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, wait, no,
Look at,
wait.
now he's talking shit
Wait,
over there.
no, there's a game
shit.
going on thing. It's hard to choose. Do you watch what's going on the track, or do you watch the rednecks fighting in the
good.
wings?
This is all movies. This is all this guy has. This is all he's got.
That's it.
One more left.
That guy's coming back to say
These
some words
fuckers
to
are
somebody.
slower than shit. Oh no.
Alright, she ain't quite happy with it yet.
They have to get packed in.
Mr. Jeff Lane, come down here, help us pull this.
I wonder if he's the dude that got ran into.
Yeah, that was the guy that was on the blue mower right there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what I'm guessing, because he's the one that got kicked out of the way.
88.
Keep it clean, boys. Keep it clean. Keep it clean.
Family event. A family event. Yeah, I gotta put my legs in.
I just love the accent. They're from Augusta, West Virginia. They came a long way here.
I've never truly felt like I was living in West Virginia until right now. This is the crowning moment. It's like, yes, I'm in West Virginia. Absolutely. No doubt in my mind. There's a big fucking mountain. There's a big mountain right there. There's a big mountain and lawnmower races.
Giant mountain.
Gotta be in West.
Some beautiful cornfields. Yep. And then we've got some lawnmower racing. And we have an entire capacity crowd watching. Last lap. Bring it home, boys. Bring it home. Here we go. There we go. Plainsville, West Virginia. 4.